Hi, this is Pawan Singh from Dream Design Institute. Today we will discuss about surface modeling in nxcad. First of all, open NX software. After that, go to new. Then go to model tab. Then go to model. Then click on OK. After that, go to menu. Go to preference. Go to modeling and choose body type from general sheet. Default is solid, but choose sheet for surface modeling. After that, click on OK. Now go to sketch from home, or go to menu, go to insert, go to sketch from there. Click, then choose the plane. Click on any plane, then click on OK. Go to rectangle. There are three methods: by 2 point, 3 point and center point. Click on center point and fill the value. Suppose 200, enter, 200, enter, 0, enter. For exit from command, press escape or scroll. Then click on finish. Then click on extrude from there, or X-center, or go to menu, go to insert, go to design feature, go to extrude, or right click on sketch, go to extrude from this icon or this line, and fill the value same solid modeling. In the end option, fill the value, suppose 100. You can change direction with the help of reverse direction. All options are same like surface solid modeling, but the difference, this is sheet. Click on OK. This is 100 by 100 block of surface modeling. If you want to edit, just right click on extrude, then go to edit with rollback and fill the value there. Suppose -50. This is -50. This is 100. Click on OK. This is extrude with surface. If you want to close, just go to menu, go to insert, go to surface, click on 4-point surface or Ctrl+4. Now go to there, surface corner, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point. It means click on sequence, first click, second click, third click and fourth click. It will be closed. Then click on OK. Now if you want to remove the corner, then first you need to join this surface. Now this is surface look like both are one, but this is not, this is different, this body is different, this body is different. For join, go to menu. If you try for their fillet or blend option, then it will not possible. Suppose I will try, click on edge blend, then it is not possible because this body is different, this body is different. So you must use sew command from go to menu, go to insert, go to combine. Combine means it will combine two bodies. Go to sew. Sew is using for surface body. First body, target sheet and tool, this. Then click on OK. Now this body is single body. If you use edge blend, click on there. Click on there. Now edge blend is possible after sew. Click on any edge. Then click on OK. If you learn from this video, then please like, share, comment on this video, and also subscribe my YouTube channel for watching AutoCAD, SolidWorks, NX and Ansys video. Thank you everyone.